Hey guys, welcome back to my page for this sale. So today I'm gonna unbox one Nykaa parcel which I received yesterday. Actually, few days back I ordered few products from Nykaa. There was one sale going on, so I got the opportunity and select few products and ordered them. So yesterday I received those. So let's see what I received. The first one is the eyelashes from Swiss Beauty. मैंने ऑलरेडी इनको यूज़ किया हुआ है अभी, तो आप देख सकते हैं ये बहुत ज़्यादा लाइट वेटेड है, तो आप इसे ट्राई कर सकते हैं. बट आई थिंक ये साइज़ में थोड़ी सी बड़ी है, तो आप अपनी आइज़ के हिसाब से इसको ऑर्डर करना. और ठीक है, सो दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट वन. So the second product is the eyelashes glue from Gov USA. Be Beautiful Inside Out. So I ordered this also with eyelashes. The third one is O-Lens, okay, in the shade Smoky Grey. So this is the most awaited or most lovable product. So I bought this. So this cost me around, I think, 1300. So under this there are, I think, 10 lenses. So yeah, let me show you. So there are 10 pairs of this products. So you can order this also, because इसको लगाने से कोई इरिटेशन मुझे अभी तक तो महसूस नहीं हुआ. The third, I purchased this K Beauty contourer stick in the shade Choco Focus. You can purchase this also, because I applied today and it's so smooth, blends very well. Yeah, so you can order this too. So this is the last product which I bought from Nykaa. This is the makeup remover balm from Plum. Let's see, I tried today to remove this makeup and share the feedback with you all in the next video. Okay, so these 4 are the products, 4 to 5 I bought from Nykaa: lashes, contourer, lenses and gum. So lashes you can see on my makeup today. Lenses you can also see on my eyes. So 2 प्रोडक्ट तो मैंने ऑलरेडी यूज़ कर ही रखे हैं. सो पसंद आए तो आप भी ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो दिस इज़ द अनबॉक्सिंग ऑफ Nykaa products.